Hey, 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 what are today's messages? Let's pick a card and see what we need to hear. The speed at which you convert anger into compassion is a vital measuring stick for personal mastery. Tips to lift your mood instantly. 1. Listen to your favorite music. 2. Take a walk. 3. Smile. Even if it's forced, it helps. All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's check this one out today. I like people who have their own vibe and don't try to be like the rest of the world. Drama doesn't just walk into your life. Either you create it, invite it, or associate with it. In the end, people will judge you anyway, so don't live your life impressing others. Live your life impressing yourself. Reminder, you can only do so much in one day. Breathe and relax. 5 ways to become more mindful. 1. Savor the moment. Use your 5 senses. 2. Think like a photographer, focusing on the present moment. 3. Watch sunrises and sunsets. 4. Take a different route to the store or to work. Take a different route. 5. Go out in public and observe people. Write about it or do art with what you see. Mel Robbins. You're alive. Act like it. Go outside, call a friend, hit the gym, climb a mountain, run until you can't. Lose your phone and find yourself. And the last one today. The only thing you can take from me is notes. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.